In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the Invert UK website. The reason for doing so is that a lot of website visitors do not realize how much information is really contained within the menu bar of the Invert UK website. When you hover over the About section, you will see there's About Us, which provides more information about Embird. You've got your Embird UK blog here that you can access with all of our blog articles. When you click here, you'll be able to download Embird. This link here provides you with more information about the Embird software compatibility and requirements. For example, in terms of your computer's capability. The demo limits, should you be running a free version of Embird, it describes to you what the demo limitations are. And these are the rules and regulations regarding the software distribution, for example, the licensing of Embird, etc. Here you can have a look at the supported embroidery hoops for Embird. You can also have a look at the supported thread catalogs. On here as well, we've got some machine embroidery courses. So if you actually click on that link, it will provide you with all the articles that provide you with machine embroidery courses, which you can sign up to. Although this is machine embroidery related, we also have some hand embroidery courses for those that are interested in hand embroidery perhaps. And there's also some free embroidery courses as well that you will find in these particular links. If you click here, you'll be able to buy sewing machines, irons, sewing cabinets, sewing supplies, sewing thread. If we go to the products section, you will see that in the top row, you've got listed all the Embird products. Embird Basic Program, Font Engine, Embird Studio, which includes Sumato Stitch and digitizing tools, Cross Stitch, Iconizer, the Alphabet lettering plugin. In the bottom row, you can purchase embroidery machines, sewing machines, irons, sewing cabinets, sewing supplies, and this in itself is a link you can click on. And this in itself is a link you can click on, which will navigate you to a variety of sewing threads that you can purchase. And then there's also embroidery designs here. Now these embroidery designs includes free embroidery designs as well as paid embroidery designs. And in this section soon, I will also be adding embroidery patches, which will also be available in that particular section. If you navigate to deals, the deals section contains all of your special bundled deals for Embird. The shop we have at the moment is just reserved for Embird. So in the shop you will find all the Embird products in there. Under training, you'll see if you need the Embird manuals, it's right here. Training videos on Embird you'll find here. Embroidery files conversion tutorial, which will teach you on exactly what it's saying to convert embroidery files into a different format. Embird teachers, so you can actually go and have a look if there's any local Embird teachers to you, and you may want to make use of their services if you're looking for somebody to teach you on how to use Embird properly. Support section is self-explanatory. Upgrade 2021 in itself is a button that you can click, and that will take you to the section where you can upgrade to Embird 2021. Just another link to download Embird. Embird reviews and testimonials. Now this includes testimonials from clients, Embird users, so to speak. And then if you click here, you also have the opportunity to add your own Embird review on the Embird UK website, should you wish to do so. This is self-explanatory, that's just the cart button. So if you've added any products from the shop into your cart, you can just click here to check out. And if you click on the plus sign here, it will just show you all the recent posts in the Embird UK blog. The last thing I'd like to show you is if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, this is the home page, then you will see you can also sign up to our newsletter right here, should you wish to do so. Thanks so much for watching. Should you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the video comment section below.